Today I'm going to teach you exercise number 2.5 differentiation. Question number 6. If tan y into 1 plus tan x is equal to 1 minus tan x, is show that dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So basically we want to prove dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So let's start our solution. Tan y 1 plus tan x is equal to 1 minus tan x. So tan y is equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. This term is multiplied by tan y is multiplied by 1 plus tan x. So multiply term, when we take in the other side, multiply term will be divided. So we name this as equation 1. Now we will differentiate. Variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. d by dx tan y is equal d by dx 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So derivative of tan y is secant square y and y. This is not x, and we are differentiating with respect to x. So if this is x, then there is no need to write dx by dx because derivative of x with respect to x is 1. But we can see that this is y, so we will differentiate dy by dx. Now this is the variable of two quotient variable u by v. We consider this as u and we consider this term as v. So here we apply u by v rule. V 1 plus tan x v, derivative of u is 1 minus tan x minus u, derivative of v is 1 plus tan x whole divided by v square. V is 1 plus tan x square. Now secant square y, as we know that secant square y is equal to 1 plus tan square y. So we write 1 plus tan square y dy by dx as it is. Now 1 plus tan x as it is and minus tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x, and this is minus, we write minus as it is. Minus 1 minus tan x as it is, and this is 1 is constant. Derivative of any constant is 0, so there is no need to write 0. And 1 minus tan x as it is, and derivative of 1 is constant, and derivative of any constant is 0, plus tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. 1 plus tan x whole square. Now minus secant square x into 1 minus secant square x minus secant square x into tan x minus secant square x tan x minus secant into minus into secant square x minus secant square x minus plus tan x secant square x whole divided by 1 plus tan